Today we're going to look at a tumble dryer from Hotpoint. It's a condensing tumble dryer. The fault is the drum is jammed. Now whether it's collapsed bearing or something else, we're going to investigate and find out what it is. So first we're going to do is turn our machine around. So now we've got this up, we're going to have a look at the fan unit and see if there's something stuck in the fan. If not, then we'll start investigating other things. So we take this panel off, the screw here, and you've got 3 on the back, and there's one right here at the front of the machine.
Interesting, motivating, heart pulsating, and I can see, look me straight up.
Now we're going to have a look at the fan unit, so we'll turn around the fan unit.
Watch me sounding, and I can sing. I used to think that everything you did was right.
So here we have the thermostat, so we want to release the thermostat, which is in back, and that just pulls out. There's a little screw here as well, which is what we're going to take off right now. For all the screws, except for the screws in the lid, which is just a normal Aussie drive. So this comes off then, we move this, and there's a little clip here, a lug, that holds this cover in. We pull the cover out. Whoa, look at that. You can see there, look, sock is jammed inside the drum.
Now I know different, but I still can't see the light.
There's another one. Number 2. You see that shredded.
When I try to talk to you, I don't know what I should say.
Open that.
I still
Take out the
need
filter.
you.
And we go into the hole at the bottom. And there is the sock.
Nobody, and
Baby socks they are. The reason that would have happened is that they've probably put the drum on with this filter out. So when the tumble drive, it's dropped the sock into there and it's caught inside the fan, and that's what caused that to jam. So hopefully that should have solved that problem. Just in reverse of what we did. Spin the drum and it's seen out, that's freely going. Happy days, this could be magic.
turning ancient, and I can't sing. Get a job, friend, and try to defend all these worries now, and I can't sing. I used to think that everything you did was right. Now I know different, but I still can't see the light. There's something on me that seems to lead the way. And when I try to talk to you, I don't know what I should say. I still need you. Oh, I need you. I don't want nobody, and I still love you.
That seems to be doing okay.
I don't want nobody, and I still need.
I'll just lift the camera up so you can
Oh,
see.
I need you.
The drum is.
I don't want nobody, and I still love you.
There we have it. So that's working, and that's all it was.
Want nobody,